Hey, welcome back. I am Rajesh and today I am going to tell you about the backfilling and anti-termite treatment. So if you are planning to build a house, the termite is the first things you should think of. So without wasting any time, let's get started the today's session. So today's topic is backfilling and anti-termite treatment. So let me define you first what is backfilling. The material, I mean the sand, which we are using to fill the foundation depth after the completion of digging the soil. That is nothing but a backfilling. Backfilling is defined as the material you can say as sand which we are using to fill the foundation depth after the completion of digged out soil for foundation is nothing but a backfilling. So that is about the backfilling. Now let me tell you about the termite. You might be heard the termite in the village, that is in Hindi diwar you can say. Termite is a type of insect. It is not just in a number of tens or hundreds. There would be a huge colonies. They spread their wings in no time, eating into every corner of your house. So it is very important to know about the anti-termite treatment. So if there is a loose soil around the wall of our building, first we clear the upper layer of the soil and dig out the soil surface up to a depth of 50 centimeter. If there exists a concrete cover or masonry around the wall of our building, we drill the hole as close as possible to the plinth wall, about 300 mm or 1 feet apart from each other. So for better understanding, let me show you the figure. So this is so this height is 30 centimeter. So this is bottom and sides of foundation pit. And this height 45 centimeter and this is plinth filling. So this is for example, just for understanding purpose. Now let me draw the plan. So suppose this is your plan. So suppose this is your field area. You are going to build a house. In this, if we want to get rid of the termite in this area, we make a hole. We are using shovel to dig out the soil. So according to the specification written in the pack of anti-termite treatment, we mix the water with it and we are filling all the holes with the termite board. So after completion of anti-termite, then we do the PCC work of floor. After the digged soil, we fill the sand in this position. So that it resists the earthquake wave. So this is the floor. So this height should be 1 feet. So this is the holes filled with the termite treatment and this is the sand. So in this field we are making holes at the gap of 1 feet. So while we doing a foundation work, we must fill the foundation depth with the sand, not by the digged out soil. People think why we use sand. We are having enough soil to fill the foundation depth. Why we use sand? Well, we use sand to resist the earthquake wave. If we fill the foundation depth with the sand and if we use the anti-termite treatment in your foundation work, then termite will not enter in your house. That is the safety of the anti-termite treatment while we doing the foundation work. So we must provide the anti-termite treatment in the foundation depth. You can provide the anti-termite treatment in the below of the foundation also. If you want to use, you can use in this position also, so that the termites will not enter in your foundation work. While we doing the foundation work, we must provide the anti-termite treatment at the gap of 1 feet, and we must fill the foundation depth with the sand, not by the soil, so that it resists the earthquake wave. So the question arises here is why we use sand only to fill the foundation depth after the completion of digged out soil. So the reason behind them are, if the termites try to make a hole in the sand, the other side of the sand cover the hole and it is not possible to make a hole in the sand. And in the soil it is very easy to make a hole to termite, so that we are using only sand to fill the foundation depth, so that the termite will not enter in our foundation work. So that is all about the backfilling and anti-termite treatment.